In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lifestyle product photography with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know how to turn a simple product image into a polished lifestyle scene that looks realistic and ready for your portfolio or online store. First, open your Gemini account in your browser. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. This is where you'll start a new creation. Click it, then upload the image you want to edit. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit photo of your product. A neutral background and sharp edges help Gemini understand the subject and place it convincingly into a new environment. If the file is large, give it a moment to upload completely before moving on. Now it's time to guide the AI with a prompt. Prompts are the creative brief you give Gemini so it knows exactly what to build around your product. Be specific about the setting, mood, lighting, and any key props. The more precise your language, the more accurate and appealing your result will be. In the prompt field, type, "Create a lifestyle product photo of my chair in a modern living room setting." Include natural lighting, cozy decor, and a stylish rug to make it look realistic and appealing. You can keep this phrasing as is for a balanced, approachable look that works well for most brands. Next, go to Tools and click Create Image. This tells Gemini you're generating a new scene based on your uploaded photo and the prompt you just entered. After that, press Enter to submit everything. Think of this like handing off your creative direction to a skilled digital art team. You've chosen the product, set the scene, and now the system will compose the shot. Now wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. Generation times can vary depending on the size of your image and the complexity of the scene. While you wait, remember that the AI is aligning perspective, simulating natural light, and arranging elements like decor and the rug to make your chair feel naturally placed. Clear prompts with real-world details, like modern living room, natural lighting, and cozy decor, help it make decisions that look plausible and professional. Once the result appears, you'll have a lifestyle product photo that elevates your original image into a brand-ready visual. That's the full process. Open your Gemini account, upload your product image, enter a clear prompt, click Tools and Create Image, press Enter, and wait for the generation to complete. Enjoy bringing your product to life with Gemini AI.